In this video, I'm going to show you how to find the distance between 2 points, and we're going to do it with Desmos. So in line 1, you're going to enter the distance formula. D equals the square root, or you can come down here to the keyboard and hit the square root button at the bottom. Parentheses, x. I'm going to hit 2, and you'll see it creates a subscript. So I'm taking the x coordinate of my second ordered pair minus x sub 1. That's the first x value of my two ordered pairs. Okay, so from the first ordered pair, the other x value, squared. And to hit squared, I hit Shift 6 on my keyboard, or you can use this squared button, this A squared button. I'm moving my arrow to the right to come back down out of the exponent, plus, and I'm going to repeat, y sub 2 minus y sub 1. And again, I'm not doing anything special to create those subscripts. I'm just hitting the number 1 or 2, and Desmos knows to create that subscript. And again, squaring that term. All right, so here is the distance formula. I'm going to add a slider for all of these variables. Now notice that the order that they appear in right here is the order that you will see when they drop down. So the second x value, the first x value, the second y value, and the first y value. I'm using the two ordered pairs, -7, 6, and -5, -1. And you don't have to type them here. That's just for my reference. So my second x value, here's my second ordered pair. This is the x value. So it's -5. My first x value is right here, -7. My second y value is -1. And my first y value is 6. So I'm replacing those variables with the values that correspond to the ordered pairs that I was given. All right, well, you see that once I have a value for all of these, the distance formula calculates for me. And in this case, it looks to be about 7.28 or 7 and 28 hundredths.